In Trenchtown, where stereotypes have long shaped the story, one studio is remixing that narrative. At the center is an entrepreneur who lived close to the guns, but is now guiding others away from it. It's the story of Jamin Studio. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's review of the Business Review.
At 10 years old, I was holding a .38 pistol in my hand. Yes. Walking on the road with a gun in my hand.
A moment that could have defined Fitzroy Green's life, who is now the managing director of Jamin Studio, but instead, it became the catalyst for an even greater opportunity. Growing up in Trenchtown, deemed a tough environment, Mr. Green was surrounded by influences that pulled him in the wrong direction. By day, he said he was a little boy playing the drums in church, and by night, he was cementing his spot in a gang by hiding the guns.
It was a struggle for me right throughout. Why? It's because we were very poor in a city, so we had no means. I mean, I was told I was going to be a croff. You know, a croff in a Jamaican terminology mean already. No good, a menace to society. I was going to be that guy.
But somewhere between pressure and purpose, something shifted.
I was beating around. Then I started working now in Ocherias. I played at a hotel named Jamaica Grand. That was my first kind of break.
That one decision changed the track and put his life on a different mix.
I was sitting at home. I said to myself, I want to better myself in music. And then I said to myself, where is it? And I spoke with a friend of mine at the time, and he said to me, you know, a school named Edna Manley, you could have go there because you're very talented. So I went to Edna, applied, and then I got in. But you hear the joke now about Edna. The school fee was expensive. So the money was a problem for me now. So I got a call from Narita, started playing with Narita now, getting a little money. And so I saved that money from Narita gig, started to save to pay my school fee. And then after that, now Papa San came calling.
Before you know it, he spent over 15 years touring the world with the giants in the music industry until he received what he describes as a divine encounter from God.
I've gone to everywhere in this world. And while in London, in an hotel room, I heard a voice telling me to just basically resign.
He came back to Jamaica not just to create music, but to change lives. In 2016, with over $3 million from several corporate entities, Mr. Green spearheaded the reopening of Jamin Studio in Trenchtown, a state-of-the-art facility now recognized as Jamaica's first teaching studio. From podcasting to artist development and management, the space has an academy where young people can earn qualifications in audio engineering.
This is the only studio in Jamaica and the entire Caribbean that also offers a certification program, ALP, Avid Learning Partner Program. Avid is the owner of Pro Tools, and Pro Tools is a benchmark for all studio in Jamaica.
And though the business has faced several challenges, growth has been evident and the mission remains clear.
There's a social responsibility for the studio that we believe in helping people, so nobody comes in this space and can't afford it and we turn them away.
Now, the musician and entertainment consultant has a direct message for young people.
Good and bad will always exist in this world. Sometimes it's not easy to choose the good based upon your circumstance at the time. Because when a hungry man hungry, you know, all he want to do is full in belly. And if the option comes for him to do something that him think is easy money and without thinking about the consequences, then he might go do it. But my thing to that is this: at the end of the day, we all know what is right and what is wrong. So if you're in a situation that you can't tunnel through, God specializes in things that seems impossible. Talk to somebody.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.